Okay, here's my rather flat looking first landscape in Kodu. As you can see, I've got some distinct areas where I can add some things like trees and lakes and other bits and pieces in a short while. But at the moment, what I'd really like to do is explore creating some hills so it isn't quite so flat. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is decide where I want my hills. I think I'm going to put them over here on this kind of peninsula bit, and I'm going to choose the create hills or valleys option, and all I do is go over to where I want the hill to be created and hold down the left mouse button. But as you can probably just about see there, that's actually creating a rather square hill. So we can choose some different brush options. There we go, and I might have to actually pan round so I can see the other side to see that I'm creating an interesting kind of environment. The left mouse button raises hills, and the right mouse button sinks them. So once you've actually created some hills, what you can then do is choose the water tool and have a go at filling to actually make a lake. So I've made a little lake in there. Now for something like a river, we'd do a similar process, but we'd make a little valley that's really quite long, blocked at both ends, presumably either with some material that you've raised or with the edge of the terrain, and you can create yourself a little river then. And with the water, it always flows down to the lowest point, just like kind of in real life really. So that's why I've made myself that little lake bit there. It's put my Kodu landscape to life a bit by having the 3D element.